Understanding property maintenance, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic that often comes up in conversations about owning or managing properties: property maintenance. This is a vital concept not only for property owners but also for tenants and property managers. So, whether you're renting an apartment, own a home, or manage a building, understanding the ins and outs of property maintenance is crucial. Let's get started. Property maintenance refers to the regular and ongoing care required to ensure a property remains safe, clean, and in good repair. This isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's also about preventive measures to avoid problems in the first place. It includes everything from lawn care and cleaning to repairs and inspections. Proper maintenance keeps the property functional and appealing, which is essential for the comfort of occupants and the preservation of the property's value. There are generally two types of maintenance: reactive and preventive. Reactive maintenance is performed in response to an immediate need, such as repairing a broken window or fixing a leaky faucet. It's important, but it can often be more costly and inconvenient because it deals with problems after they occur. Preventive maintenance, on the other hand, involves regular checks and maintenance tasks to prevent issues from arising in the first place. This can include seasonal inspections, cleaning gutters, servicing HVAC systems, and more. Preventive maintenance is key to reducing long-term costs and keeping the property in top condition. The responsibility for property maintenance can vary depending on the terms of the lease agreement and local laws. In most cases, landlords are typically responsible for maintaining the property's structural integrity and ensuring that the property meets safety and health standards. This includes major repairs and maintenance of common areas in rental properties. Tenants may be responsible for minor maintenance tasks and keeping the property clean and damage-free. They should report any issues that require the landlord's attention as soon as possible. Property managers, if appointed, act on behalf of the landlord to oversee and coordinate all aspects of property maintenance. They ensure that the property is well maintained, liaise with contractors, and communicate with tenants about maintenance issues. 1. Regular inspections. Schedule periodic inspections to identify potential issues early. 2. Maintenance calendar. Keep a maintenance calendar to track and plan preventive maintenance tasks. 3. Quality repairs. Use qualified professionals for repairs to ensure work is done properly. 4. Communication. Maintain clear communication between landlords, tenants, and property managers regarding maintenance responsibilities and schedules. 5. Emergency preparedness. Have a plan in place for handling emergencies, including a list of contacts for immediate repairs. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of property maintenance and how it can be effectively managed. Remember, regular and preventive maintenance not only saves money in the long run but also ensures that the property is a safe and pleasant place to live or work. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. See you next time.